Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Do you want to stop pop-up ads in Android phone? How to block advertisement in any Android phone? Friend, we install different types of apps for our own needs. And these apps have different types of ads attached. Like video clips ads, animation ads, banner ads, display ads, etc. Some apps show ads on open and closing. There are also some apps that only run ads when closing. Again, many times ads are suddenly displayed in full display, which results in blocking in full display. And there are no words to describe how annoying these ads are. Anyway friend, in this video I will show you a secret trick. Using these tricks you can block annoying ads on your phone. You may not find the option due to different phone settings. But if you have a search bar in your phone settings, then you can easily get the option. Go to your phone settings and search by private DNS. Click on private DNS. And again click on private DNS. Now select private DNS provider hostname. And here enter dns.edguard.com. After entering, click on Save option. You'll no longer see any in-app ad banners, nor any advertisements on web browsers. So, this is the easiest way to block ads on Android smartphones. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.